stick or something.
That's all I got.
I woke up to the news this morning. I sat alone with it a while. I wish I could have been there with you and heard your hand, seen you smile. Here we are, you know it's coming. Here we are, the end to the tail. We're boats slowly sinking, my friend. You were sinking from the moment we set sail. And I hope the end was filled with color, a peaceful path from life